Here is how you can use a back tab on your iPhone. So all you have to do is to open up the settings app like this. And if you are doing anything else before, just make sure you come to the accessibility section. And a part of accessibility, you can click on the touch section below and you'll be able to find the back tab, which is almost entirely at the bottom, right? So let me just bump up the brightness a little bit. And you can see that there are two options which you can decide between. There is the double tap and there's the triple tap. So you can tap on a double tap. If it's set to none, then of course choose some of the actions below. For example, it might be something like opening up the camera, right? Or enabling dark mode and so on. Right, so let me choose like a random thing for the double back tap. And then if I come back, I can click on the triple tap and choose yet another action. So this one is going to be, I don't know, for instance, the front camera. And now essentially I have two different actions selected for those two different gestures. So it would basically mean that I'm just holding the phone right now. Let's say I put it like this, right? I'm holding it in my hand, and when I double tap it on the back side like this, you can see that it goes to the control center as we decided and clicked before. And if I perform the triple tap, you can see that it opens up the front camera. So that's how it works. That's how you can set it up. And there are so many features and options you can pick between. So definitely play around with it and choose the one which actually serves you the most. Thanks a lot for watching. Subscribe for more and I'll see you later.